Hello children, welcome back to Max Tips for All. Let's continue with fundamental concepts including fundamental operations exercise 13B part 9. Exercise 13B 9th section, subtract the second expression from the first. Be careful while reading the question. Here they have asked us to subtract the second one. So you have to subtract the second one from the first. So understand the question first. Most of the children make mistake over here. Here they have given a two algebraic expression. One is 2a plus b and a plus b is the second expression. Here they are asking us to subtract the second expression. So a plus b should be subtracted from this first one. 2a plus b is the first expression and a plus b is the second expression. So second expression should be subtracted from first. So the first step would be 2a plus b, and we are going to subtract a plus b from this first expression. So this should be written first and minus, put this in bracket. Always put the second expression in bracket because it is having a minus over here. Our next step is, be careful while doing it. You have to multiply this minus inside with a, and as well as you have to multiply this minus with b. Okay, so when you multiply it, it becomes 2a plus b. You can write it as it is, and minus into plus becomes minus a, minus into plus b becomes minus b. Okay, let me tell you once again. While multiplying, plus into minus is equal to, plus into minus will be minus. You need to remember this. Minus into plus will be again the same, that is minus. Minus. Plus into plus. Plus into plus will be plus. So it is very easy. Plus into plus will be plus. Minus into minus. Minus into minus is equal to plus. You need to by heart this. If you remember this, then it will be easy. See, here it is minus sign, plus sign. Plus into y minus will be minus. So I have placed a minus a. See, minus into plus will be minus. Here minus into plus. B is having a plus sign. So minus into plus will be minus b. See, plus minus into plus is minus b. Now just arrange all the like terms together, that is 2a minus a. I already said you what is a like term. Like terms is nothing but having the same variables. You don't need to worry about this numerical coefficient. See, here the numerical coefficient is 2 and here it's 1. It doesn't matter. But you have to look only for the variables, that is a. Both are having the a. So these both are like terms. B and minus b is a like term. Plus b and minus b get cancelled, and as one is a positive and other is negative, put the bigger number sign, that is 2 is bigger than 1, right? So put the bigger number sign, that is plus, and do the subtraction, it becomes a. I hope you understood it. Let's move on to the second one. Here also they have given the two expressions. We have to subtract the second one, that is b plus 3c should be subtracted from 2 minus 2b plus c. So our first step would be minus 2b plus 2c minus, put the second expression in a bracket because you need to multiply with this minus sign, b plus 3c. So next step will be, we will be multiplying this minus inside with once with b and once with 3c. So it becomes minus 2b plus 2c. You can write it as it is. Plus into minus, minus b plus, minus into plus, minus 3c. Next, arrange all the like terms together. Minus 2b and minus b have brought it together, and 2c minus 3c have brought it together. Both are having a minus sign. Put the minus sign and add it. So it becomes minus 3b. Here one is positive sign, other is negative sign. So put the bigger number sign, that is 3 is having the bigger number sign. So minus 3 minus 2 will be 1. So it will be C. So this is the answer. Let's move on to the third one. Here also they have given the two algebraic expression. Even here we have to do the same thing. We are just going to remove the second expression from the first. So we have written 5a plus b minus, put the second expression in the bracket because you have to multiply the minus sign inside. Minus into minus will become plus. Minus into plus will become minus. Just by heart it and keep in touch and keep reading those four lines. So our next step will be, we can write it 5a plus b as it is, and minus into minus plus 6b, minus into plus minus 2b. Now just arrange all the like terms together. 5a minus 2b plus b plus c. Here one is having a positive sign, other is having a negative sign. So put the bigger number sign and subtract it. So it will become 3a, and here both are positive sign. So put the positive sign and add them up. 6 plus 1 will be 7b. Fourth question. Here also they have given the two algebraic expression. So we have to remove the second one from the first one, first expression. So a to the power of 3 minus 1 plus a, and put it in a bracket. Put the second expression in the bracket, and we have to multiply with minus. It is nothing but when it is only minus means it is having minus 1. We all know that whenever 1 is multiplied with any number, it gives the same number, right? That's why I am just multiplying with minus sign. Here nothing is there means minus 1 is the one. You should assume it as minus 1. Okay, just multiply it inside. We get the answer, a to the power of 3 minus 1 plus a minus 3a. Minus into plus minus, minus into minus, plus 2a square. Now just arrange all the like terms together. Arrange all the like terms together. We have only one a to the power of 3. So I have placed only 1 and plus 2a square, and a should be all together. A terms are together and minus 1. So one next would be a cube plus 2a square. You have to put, the one is negative sign, other is positive sign. So put the bigger number sign and subtract it. I hope you understood it. Let's move on to the fifth one. Here they have given the expressions, and we have done the earlier method, it's same. We have to remove the second expression from the first. So put the first expression and minus 1, because it is having only one term. I have placed it directly minus 1, and I have just removed the braces and arranged it in a like terms all together. Here 2 is having a positive sign and minus 1, and one term is having a minus sign. Put the bigger number sign and subtract it. So it will be plus 1. Sixth question. X plus 2y plus z and minus x minus y and minus 3z. So here we need to subtract the second expression from the first. So I have just placed it in a braces because it is having 3 terms. Okay. Now just multiply. Now you should multiply this minus with all 3 terms inside the braces. Don't forget to multiply with all the 3 terms like this. So when you multiply, you will get these three terms. You can write it as it is: minus into minus plus x, minus into minus again plus y, minus into plus, minus into minus is minus. Oh, sorry, minus into minus is plus, plus 3z. I got a little bit confused. Okay. Now just arrange all the like terms together and just add it, because all are having a positive sign. So x plus x, 2x, 2y plus y, 3y, z plus 3z, 4z. Let's move on to seventh one. Here also they have given this two terms and we have to remove the second term from the first term. And here also we need to multiply this minus inside with each term. With each term you need to multiply it. So when you multiply, you'll get, if these three terms you can write it as it is, and plus into minus, minus 3a square, minus into minus plus 4ab, minus into plus minus 6b square. I hope you understood this step very clearly. Next, I have arranged all the like terms together. See, a square is a like term. So I have arranged both together so that it will be very easy to perform the fundamental operations. Now, one is having plus sign, another is having a minus sign, and both are same. So you can just cancel it up. And here one is having a positive and other is having a negative sign. Sorry, both are having a negative sign. So put the minus sign and add them. 6 plus 2, 8b square. Here one is having a negative sign, other is having a positive sign. Put the bigger number sign, that is minus, and 8 minus 4 will be 4ab. Right? Okay. Next, eighth question. The second expression first must be removed from the first one. So here it is only one term. So plus into minus becomes minus 9p square. And now arrange all the like terms together. And here both are having a negative sign. So put the minus sign and add them. 6p square plus 9p square will be 15p square. Right? Next, ninth question. Here they have given a two algebraic expression. First, second expression should be removed from the first one. So I have written the minus sign in between them. Now we have to multiply this minus inside with each term. So this minus should be multiplied with all three terms and you will get 10abc should be written as it is. Minus into plus is minus 2a square, minus into plus is minus 2ab, minus into minus is plus 4b square. Now just next step is arrange all the like terms together. Right? I have arranged it. Now here this one is having positive and other is having a negative sign. So put the bigger number sign. 10 is the bigger number when compared to row 2. Right? So put the bigger number sign and subtract it. It will become 8abc. Next, 10th question. So similarly, the second one should be removed, second expression should be removed from the first expression. So I have written this statement like this. Next, multiply this minus inside with this both two terms. Plus into minus minus a square, minus into minus plus d square. Now the third step, arrange all the like terms together and now perform the fundamental operations. It is really very easy. Just understand it and keep practicing. A square and a square gets cancelled because one is having positive and other is having a negative sign. And the answer is c square plus d square plus ab. I hope you like this video. Don't forget to like, subscribe and hit the bell button. Check the description box for the fundamental concepts. Thank you.